All right, what's up, you guys? Today is day 21 of eating fruit and trading crypto, trading gold. This video is on gold. And right now, gold is trading at the price of $4,509. As you see right here, I got this chart pulled up. Shout out to the Universe 618. Make sure you follow the Universe 618 on TradingView. But this is the chart that he drew up, or that he has marked out with his analysis and his indicators on here. Um, you can see that the indicators, when I first saw this a couple days ago, in my mind, I was thinking that just like how you see over here back in August 2025, the indicator, I think these are like sort of like Bollinger Band indicators. Um, they came together, and usually when they come to, it shows right here, like when it comes together, it could possibly spring up. And then even back here, all the way back in January 2025, they came super close together and they springed up. So I was thinking that's the case for this one. But when you really look at it, they're not, these bands aren't as close as these bands were back in January 2025. So there is still like a question. The question is still up in the air on whether or not gold is going to bounce from here and hold this support line, or if gold is going to break support and start forming bearish continuation to the downside. And going back to my chart, my technical analysis that I posted yesterday in yesterday's video of day 20, um, I talked about how we have a long way to go to get down here and reach this bottom of around $2,000 for the gold price reset uh, and correction period. So, like I said, the question is still up in the air of whether or not we're going to bounce from here. And it's really, my chart really is my whole game plan is really just taking the emotion out of this and just going with the trend and just waiting for gold to show its hand, right? You see, I have my long position here. My long position is currently closed. It's not activated. If we were to start going back up and we're holding this support at 4,500, then I can probably jump into a long position and hold the long position. But the other question is, if we do bounce, will we break all-time high and reach 5,600, 5,800, or even $6,000? That's the question. And like I said yesterday, the longer we wait or the longer it takes for us to bounce like this, the less likely it is for us to bounce. So the longer gold takes, the less likely gold is going to bounce, and the more case scenario, or the like there's a better chance of gold just uh doing a change of character and starting its bearish continuation, or its downtrend, starting its downtrend. Now, if we break below 4,300, if we break below 4,300, I definitely believe all bull like long positions are invalidated. Like, so if you're thinking about buying gold right now, or getting into a long position on gold, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. This is just my opinion. But my opinion is that if we break below 4,300 or 4,280, I believe that trade will be invalidated, and it would be a good, you'll have a better option of just getting ready to continue the downtrend, right? Obviously, there will be pullbacks in the in between time. And so, yes, if you are trying to go long on gold or buy gold, you can buy the pullbacks. But know the trend, know the direction. Like last year really messed me up because I didn't really know how high gold was going to go, because I always knew that sometime or some way or another gold has to correct, right? Gold has to get down here. So, you know, Gold came up to 2,700, consolidated. We didn't know if gold was going to come back down and correct. Gold went up to 3,300, consolidated. We didn't know if gold was going to come back down and correct, and it didn't. So both times we got shook out and it burst up, and then it burst up again. And then even over here, when gold was at around 4,200, 4,300, we didn't think gold was going to go to 5,000. We thought it was going to correct then. So then it went up, boom. So it's just, just showing its hand, and yeah, man. I don't want to say too much because I want to continue to try to stay consistent and I want to see what tomorrow shows us. But right now, we do look like we're topping out. We do look like we're running out of gas. These consolidation zones are heavier. These drops are heavier. Like this drop that happened back in February or early March is the heaviest drop we've seen since the bull run, since 2024. Since 2024, that probably was the heaviest drop we've seen. And so, the signs are showing near that we could be turning around and that we could be coming back down for the downtrend. And mind you, guys, you see my positions that I have marked up. You see that my first idea was this long position. That's why I have my entry, my stop loss, my take profit area was going to be around 6,400. And then I was going to go into my sales. So I'm not even my first idea was not bearish, and I'm still anticipating if we do bounce up. I'm still anticipating that. Even though my trade's not active, but if we do bounce up, I'm still anticipating it, and it can go active. So if we do want to, if we did go up here, I would, boom. But and the thing is, this shows 2027 for this bottom. We could bottom out even sooner than this. So stay on your toes, guys. It's important that we stay consistent. Keep your eyes open. Don't over leverage. Don't over risk on your trades. And lastly, I'm gonna continue saying this because I think this is very important. Is that if you don't have $4,500 to trade gold, you shouldn't be trading gold. So if I was you, I would focus on the smaller pairs to trade or trade smaller cryptos uh, that your money that you could really handle because if you don't have 4,500 like the price of gold is 4,500 if you don't have $4,500 in your account it's harder to trade if you do have if you do have the money to purchase one gold bar $4,500 then it's going to be super easy to trade. All you got to do is just know the trend and just follow the trend. If you have $4,500, it's super easy. So that's the plan. If you guys need help with trading, man, feel free to click the link in the description. And Stand Story Bakari is so real. I have a group chat. I have a private channel. I'm going to be giving out trading signals on a daily basis. But all of my stuff is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. So yeah, that's it for this video. Wishing you guys nothing but much love, much success, much peace, much abundance, much prosperity, much joy, all that, man. Love you guys. See you guys.